Hello and welcome back to our channel. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you worry about making mistakes? That is completely normal. Today, we are going to fix that. We will practice 3 very common situations that happen in real life. We are using simple words and easy sentences so you can understand everything. My advice? Don't just watch. Listen to the actors and repeat after them. Are you ready to improve your English? Let's jump into the first situation. Ordering food or drink is something we do every day. Notice how they use please and thank you to be polite.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you?
I would like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want any sugar or flavors in that?
No sugar. But can I have low-fat milk?
No problem. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
All right. That will be $4.50.
Here is my card.
Thank you. It will be ready at the counter in a minute.
Thanks.
Did you catch that? The person used the phrase I would like instead of I want. It sounds much more polite and natural. Try to use that next time you order.
Lisa, is that you?
Oh my goodness. Dawn. I can't believe it.
Wow! Long time no see. How have you been?
I have been good. It has been years. You look great.
Thanks, you too. What are you doing these days?
I am working as a teacher now. What about you? Are you still living in the city?
Yes, I still live near the park. I am actually an engineer now.
That is amazing. We have so much to talk about.
We really do. Do you have time for a coffee right now?
I have about 30 minutes. Let's go.
Perfect. It is so good to see you.
That was a nice moment, right? The key phrase here is long time no see. Native speakers use this all the time when they meet someone after a long break. Also, asking, "What are you doing these days?" is a great way to ask about someone's job or life. Being lost can be scary. This conversation shows how to ask for help politely and understand simple directions.
Excuse me? Sorry to bother you.
Yes? Can I help you?
I think I'm a little lost. I'm looking for the central train station. Do you know where it is?
Oh, sure. It is very close.
Is it far to walk?
No, it's only about 5 minutes away.
Okay, great. Which way do I go?
Go straight down this street. When you see the big supermarket, turn left.
Okay, straight. Then turn left at the supermarket.
Exactly. The station is right next to the post office. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Great job today. We looked at 3 different situations: ordering coffee, meeting a friend, and asking for directions. Here is a quick challenge for you. Which situation do you think is the hardest? Ordering food? Talking to friends? Asking for directions? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us make more easy lessons for you. Keep practicing, speak loudly, and don't be afraid of mistakes.